Welcome to Art with Bianca. Happy Tutorial Tuesday. Today, I wanted to show you how to mix your paint for acrylic pouring. Let's get started. What you will need: a scale, something to stir with, some gloves, paper or plastic cups, a sifter and something to put it in, and last but not least, Floetrol. Now let's put on our gloves and begin. Here is my handy dandy scale, and yes, I think a scale is absolutely necessary. Now here's the trick. 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. For this plastic shot glass, I'm going to do 10 grams of Floetrol and 5 grams of paint. Ooh, that looked a little clumpy. Yep, this is why I usually use a sifter. I'll show you how to avoid that in the next one. Remember to stir it really well until it's very runny. Now let's move on to your base colors. Grab your sifter, and for 2 9x12 canvases, I think 100 grams of Floetrol and 50 grams of paint will be sufficient. You can always mix more if it's not. Alright, bear with me here. This part is super cool. Ooh, and this is why I make art. Even mixing the paint is beautiful. And after we're done playing around, all you have to do is mix it all up. Let me just show you one more thing that'll make it really easy. I really love to use squeeze bottles. I prepare it with a ratio of 60-30 and it lasts me months. And there you have it. If this is helpful for you, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Click the next video for another tutorial.